Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We're going inside to coupon at Walgreens this week because there's so many amazing deals, including 50% off of large Gain laundry products. We also have so many digital boosters this week, so let me know in the comments what you wound up getting. They are stacking online. So earlier I posted an insane moneymaker deal that anybody can do online for curbside pickup on my Instagram. If you don't follow me yet, definitely head over and check out that video. It's at Bree Coupon Queen 3 for Instagram. But these boosters should be stacking in store as well. So I have a really great deal using all digital coupons that anybody can do to grab 10 products for 98 cents, including those large Gain laundry products. So I'm gonna break down all the deals for you guys in this video. If you're not subscribed yet, please take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I'm so close to 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and that has been my goal since I started this channel back in 2019. Below in the description box is going to be the printable breakdown and a bunch of other resources for you guys. If you want to save more money couponing, but you don't feel like you have time to go through and find all the deals in the weekly ad, put together your breakdowns, find all the matchups with the rebate apps like Ibotta, the whole 9 yards, let me coupon for you. So that's what I provide you guys in my Everyday Savings Club. Also comes with a private Facebook group just so I can answer any questions you have so you never feel stuck again. So all that information, what's included, how to join, you can go to breecouponqueen.com/club, or that link will be below for you in the description box as well. So let's pop inside and take advantage of some amazing deals and more Ibotta rebate. The first deal we're gonna do is a really great deal on the expensive Crest products. So this week, they're on sale for $9 each. When you buy 2 of them, you'll earn back a $3 register reward. I'm gonna grab the 3D Brilliance. We have a $5 off 1 digital coupon, so only clip that one. Next, we are gonna grab the gum enamel for $9 with a separate $5 off 1 digital coupon. So for both of them, you're at $18, but you have $10 worth of digital coupons. You'll pay $8 out of pocket, earn back the $3 register reward, then submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back each. Gives you $4 cash back. That makes your final net cost $1 for both or 50 cents each. This is gonna help me track towards my midweek bonus on Ibotta as well for even more cash back. Next, we're gonna do the Colgate deal. So I'm gonna grab the ones that are on sale for $4. They're buy 2, get a $4 register reward. You can grab any 2 that are $4, it doesn't matter. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, makes them 50 cents a piece as well. Next deal I'm gonna grab is on the Head & Shoulders products. So they are on sale for $7. Buy 2, get a $3 register reward. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon in the Walgreens app. You'll pay $11 out of pocket, get back the $3 register reward, makes it $8 for 2 or $4 a piece. Here's a great deal on a clearance find I just came across. So Select Shea Moisture products are all part of a promotion, but I saw this tag, this one right here for the kids, it's a styling gel, is half off at $6.99. Plus we have a $3 digital coupon. Online, it's $6.79, so a little bit cheaper. The digital coupon will work as well. So if you get it online, it would be just $3.79 for a product that's regularly $14. That's an amazing deal. The next deal I was gonna do is an incredible deal on Gain that you can save 50% compared to Walmart prices. My store is out of the second product that I need though. I'm still gonna show you the deal because it's incredible if you can score. You're definitely gonna wanna run on it because that's why the products are almost gone, because it's such a great deal. So select products are on sale for $9.99. Buy 2 in store, get a $4 register reward. Grab one of the liquids here for $9.99. We have a $3 off 1 digital coupon. So for the second product, there's a bunch of options. You can grab the Gain Flings, that would be right here. There's a separate digital coupon. Or if your store carries the like 240 count Gain dryer sheets, or the large Gain fabric softener for $9.99 with a separate coupon, whatever you wanna do, you wanna grab 2 of the products. That way you'll complete the promotion and you'll get back the $4 register reward. So grabbing 2, you're at $19.98. Minus $6, you're at $13.98 out of pocket. Get back the $4 register reward, makes it $9.98 for 2 large Gain products. Amazing deal. Another laundry deal I'm gonna grab that I think is a really good deal on the Arm & Hammer. I would either grab the packs that are 2 for $5, or grab these scent beads for 2 for $5. These are actually one of my favorite products. We do have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. Makes your final cost $2 a piece. Now the liquids are included as well, but I just don't think it's a great deal because those bottles are tiny. Next deal is definitely not the best deal, but if it's a product that you need, then it's better than paying full price. So Quilted Northern is actually my absolute favorite toilet paper. This week they're on sale for $6.99. When you buy 2 products, you're gonna get back a $3 register reward in store. Clip the 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for this. Then you're gonna grab this 9 rolls. It's not tagged, but when you scan it on the Walgreens app, you see that it's on sale for $6.99. And we have a separate 50-cent digital coupon. So grabbing one of each of these products, after the coupon comes off, you'll pay $12.98, get back a $3 register reward, makes it $9.98 for 2 of them or $4.99 a piece. So let's take a look at an all digital scenario for some digital boosters that we got this week. Let me know in the comments what boosters you got if you got the same ones. I have spend $60, get $15 in Walgreens cash, and I have a spend $25, get $7. Now online, these are stacking, so I assume in store they will stack as well. So here's a really good scenario. Now keep in mind, this is not the correct size of the Gain Flings. I'm just using it as a placeholder because my store is out of stock of the correct size, so keep that in mind. This one is $15.99. It is not the correct one. Okay, so total for all of these products is gonna be $62.98. You can use up to $2 in Walgreens cash. Now you're at $60.98. You're over 60, and of course you're over 25, so you should get back the Walgreens cash for both boosters. After all the digital coupons come off, which is $22 worth, you'll pay $38.98 out of pocket. So for me, this is a very high out of pocket. I would only do this if, of course, you have room in your budget, that's most important, or if you have manufacturer register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. You are gonna earn back a bunch of rewards though. You'll get back 2 $4 register rewards, 2 $3 register rewards, plus $7 in Walgreens cash and $15 in Walgreens cash. Plus, you're gonna earn $4 cash back from Ibotta for the Crest deal. Makes your final net cost 98 cents for all of these products. So it is a great deal, but it does have a high out of pocket, so keep that in mind. So let's say you don't have almost $40 to be able to spend out of pocket. You don't have any register rewards and you want a transaction to use just the spend 25, get 7. Here's a really good option. This is what I'm actually gonna do. Total is $31. I'm gonna use $5 in Walgreens cash. Now I'm at $26. We're still over 25, so I will get back the $7 in Walgreens cash. For coupons, we have $14 worth of coupons. I'll pay $12 plus taxes out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward, a $4 register reward, and $7 in Walgreens cash. Plus for my Ibotta, I'm earning $4 cash back. Makes my final net cost free and a $1 moneymaker. So I just checked out and my register rewards printed. You always want to make sure that you're checking the expiration date before you leave. So I usually only coupon on Mondays at Walgreens. So this was going to expire on Saturday, which is not Monday. So I would have lost this $3 if I didn't use it right away. So I'm deciding to come and grab a product that I actually need, which is baby wipes. It winds up being a decent deal anyway. I'm gonna grab 2 of these. They're 2 for $16 on sale. We also have the 3 off 2 store coupon. So you would pay $13. I'm gonna use the $3 register reward and pay $10. Then I'm gonna submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back each. Gives me 50 cents back. Makes my final cost $9.50 for 2 of them or $4.75 per multi-pack. Not a bad deal. It gives me Ibotta rebates towards my bonus. It helps me use a register reward that was going to expire, and it's something I need. So definitely make sure that you're checking those. All right, we're back in from Walgreens. I'm so glad I took a look at the expiration date of that register reward. That wound up happening to me like 2 weeks ago. I think 2 register rewards for like $8 worth wound up expiring because I don't know why Walgreens is doing this. They always throw these little tricky things in there. So just make sure that you guys look at that and double check. So that way I was able to then use it for a product that I needed because there's not really like the best deals on baby wipes and stuff right now. And I only have like, I don't know, 2 bags left. So I definitely needed some. So let's go over my 2 transactions. So the first transaction, I did that spend booster. So I did everything that I showed you in the video. only one $5 digital came off. We've been having issues with those coupons. So I am missing $5. So I will have to call Walgreens to get $5 in Walgreens cash. The other digital coupons came off. Then I used $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $17.32. It should have been $12.32 out of pocket. Submitted over to Ibotta and got $4 cash back on the Crest products. So then I earned back both of the register rewards. The one $3 one is for the Crest deal. So that's the one that I went ahead and rolled. Oh, let me show you this too, sorry. And I got back the $7 in Walgreens cash because that spend 25 digital booster. I am gonna try to put together a good deal online, like another scenario for you guys, and do it myself, because there are so many deals with Walgreens cash that are stacking online. I know I can put together a deal on products that I actually need, so I just need to spend more time on that. So stay tuned on my channel. So then I just grabbed the Huggies. Coupon came off, used the register reward. Didn't use any Walgreens cash or anything. I could have, but I just didn't. Submitted to Ibotta, got 50 cents back. So now I only need 5 rebates left for my midweek moneymaker, which I will do at Walmart tomorrow. And then I'll be able to earn back another $5 cash back from Ibotta. So a lot of people ask, like, how do you save on groceries? How do you save more money that way on things that you don't get coupons for? That's one way that you can do it. You can use the Ibotta bonuses that you're getting as additional money towards your groceries. That's an additional $5 that I can now use towards my groceries for this week. So that is one way that you can do it. Another way is obviously using moneymaker deals to be able to put that overage towards other products you need. Just like I did today with that $3 register reward. I used my rewards towards products that I actually needed. So that way I can lower the cost out of pocket instead of having to pay full price. So I teach you guys more of that in my Everyday Savings Club. I go live every Monday in that club, and I teach you guys in that Facebook group more saving strategies. We go over our budgets. We go over what we're saving for. It just really helps you make sure that you stick to your saving strategies and make sure that you're being consistent, because that's the name of the game. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Let's head home. We're going to enter in everything into our digital budget spreadsheet. Tomorrow is my last haul that I'll be doing for October, and then we're going to be finalizing my budget, see exactly how much we saved, and then be able to allocate that towards our savings goals. So let's head home and finalize that. All right, we are back home from Walgreens. Let's go ahead and enter everything into our digital budget spreadsheet. So this again is provided for you guys in the Everyday Savings Club, so you can edit it for yourself. All of the equations are still going to be in there for you, ready to go. So what you're going to do is put in the date. Then from the drop down, pick your store. Kroger and there's one other, I think it's Rite Aid, is also included in the version that you would download. Sale price is going to be the sale price of all the products that you bought. So for my first transaction, we're at 31. My out of pocket, including taxes, I paid $17.35. I used $5 in rewards, no gift cards. And then total cash back on this one was $4 from Ibotta. Rewards I earned back was $14.26. My next transaction was $16 worth. Out of pocket was $10. Rewards, I used a $3 register reward because remember that one was going to expire. No gift cards. Cash back on this one was 50 cents. And then no rewards earned back on this one. So I saved 57% the first transaction, 40% the second transaction. This is all going to automatically update here as well. My average for all the deals that I'm doing, some are low, some are over 100%. So it's going to average out to over 84% on all the different products that I need. So I've saved in total $501.35 this month. I also see over here, this is important to check. You want to see how much you've left in your budget so that way you know for your next couponing trip what deals you can do that are going to fit in your budget. So when I'm putting together my Walmart haul for tomorrow, I can look and see, okay, do I have enough money in my budget to cover all of these deals? Yes, great. If not, take out a couple deals that I maybe don't need. Maybe I can wait until the next month to be able to grab those products. So that's why it's so important to make sure that you are tracking your spending so you know exactly how much you're saving. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. If you do want to join this group, if you do want to join my Everyday Savings Club, I'd absolutely love to have you. You can click the icon here. It's going to give you all the information about what's included, how you guys can join. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.